Welcome back to our channel. Talk about question 2. We have two cell. One is fungi and the other is muscle fiber. Okay, distinguish between them. They share the same. Okay, so first of all, look at all the four options. Some are really ridiculous. Then you can cut them out. Which one? Yeah, they both have cell wall. Okay, muscle cell is animal cell. No cell wall. They lack membrane-bound organelle. Both of them has nucleus, right? Nucleus is membrane-bound organelle. Okay, so choose a two. Okay, B and D. Okay, first of all, several nuclei for one cell. Think about it. For muscle is absolutely correct, right? But how about for the fungal? But it is aseptic. It means that if you remember what it is a knot of plant cell joined together, joined together, joined together. But this one is septate. What is this so special? The, the inside compartment disappear. Yeah, only cell wall outside. Okay, the inside compartment disappear. That is the situation. So what is the answer? Yeah, each one original have one nucleus, right? But now they make it one long cell now, right? So they have a several nuclei, and both of them are not divided into compartments. Okay? Muscle cell is long. This one is also long without the compartments. Okay, so the answer is B. You guys are awesome. Okay, we conquered this one. Okay, well done. See you for next question.